Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll discuss about spare matrix multiplication in C programming. Introduction, spare matrix with example, array representation, linked list representation, algorithm for spare matrix multiplication. Conclusion. What is a spare matrix? Spare matrix is a matrix in which most of the elements are zero. To store all elements of the matrix leads to wastage of memory. So it is better to store the data only those elements which are non-zero element existing matrix. For example, let's suppose there is a matrix A of which most of the element is zero. Why we use spare matrix instead of simple matrix? Memory efficiency. Spare matrix save memory by only storing non-zero element along with their incident. Computational efficiency. Spare matrix reduce computational load in operation like multiplication by skipping zero elements. This leads to faster operation, especially for algorithm involving matrix manipulation. Array representation. An array representation where we need to access the element more often. Since the array stores the element based on one, thus is much helpful. The 2D array is converted to 1D array with 3 columns representing row, column and value. Row index of non-zero element, column index of non-zero element, value at the same row, column index in the 2D matrix. Linked list representation. In linked list, where the frequency of insertion and deletion operation in the matrix is more, since it is easier to delete the insert element in a linked list as compared to array. Each node has 4 fields as given below: row, column, value, next node. Row index of non-zero element is matrix, column index of non-zero element is matrix, value of non-zero element at row column in the matrix. Next node reference to the next node. Algorithm of spare matrix multiplication. Let's consider multiplying two spare matrix A and B resulting in a matrix C. Initialize the result matrix C. Create an empty matrix in appropriate spare format for result. Choose the algorithm depending on the matrix representation and the size choose of operate. Algorithms like the Navy method are more optimized algorithms such as algorithms optimized for spare matrix. Perform multiplication. Iterate though the non-zero element of matrix A for non-zero element A, I and J. Handle zero element. While performing the multiplication, ensure that the result matrix C is handled appropriate for zero element. Use the spare matrix representation of efficiency, store only non-zero value. Optimization. Exploit the matrix of minimize unnecessary operation. Use appropriate data structure and algorithm to speed up the multiplication process. Example: structure representation: A spare matrix element, function to multiply two spare matrix, check in of matrix can be multiplied, perform matrix multiplication, add the product to the result matrix, function to display the spare matrix. Example: spare matrix 2 into 2 matrix, multiplicity the spare matrix, display the result matrix. Output: resultant matrix 0, 0, 6, 1, 1, 2. Conclusion: spare matrix multiplication is a solution to perform the multiplication of two matrices is less time complexity. However, the resultant matrix is also having the most element value 0, so it is better to store the resultant matrix in the same way. Thus, we can save a lot of space by sorting just non-zero element. Thank you.